Hello there, guys. Here we have my 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. And I got my crankshaft position sensor acting up on me. I'm going to show you guys where it's at and how to fix it. Alright, right there, have your engine oil pan. And just look straight up. And there it is. It's that little sensor there. It's got a little 10mm bolt holding it on. And that's about it. Give me one second. Alright, here you get the old crankshaft sensor. Little, doesn't look too bad, but it's in the misfire code, so gotta get rid of it. And here we have the new one. All we're gonna do, press it inside there. Make sure it's in there nice and good. Put it back up where it belongs. And sorry for the view, it's kind of a tight spot. Makes it on there nice and tight, but not too tight. Alright, makes everything is nice and good. In my opinion, if you're going to do it, best to come from the passenger side, just like you see I am here. Hey y'all, how's it going now? Yeah, it's been a little bit since my last video. What I just did in this one is I replaced my crankshaft position sensor on 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. What's been going on in my vehicle, my check engine light's been flashing, which is never good in my opinion. And be in the middle of driving, have my engine stall and shut off. And also be doing about 40, 45, barely touching the gas, and be at like 2,000, 3,000 RPMs. Which definitely is not a good thing. So, being how most of us are, go on Google, start Googling stuff. Oh, I said my Cadillac converter was going bad. Which leads to a few words that I'm not going to say right now. Kind of keep my channel not age restricted yet. So looking at that, see how to replace it, how to clean it, do whatever. Big pain. Let's say that, it'd be a big pain in the butt. So that's what I took to O'Reilly's, and did a free check engine light testing, which I would suggest to anyone before doing anything. This way you don't start just tearing stuff up, and turns out that wasn't it. So I picked up my sensor. It was like $27, I think. And got it installed. I probably should have done this video beforehand, but that's what we did. So hopefully, I'll take to the valleys again tonight. Get my check engine light cleared. Have a brand new slate. Just start it clean. We'll watch it, see what it does. Because basically what happens when that crankshaft sensor starts misfiring, like mine was, it shoots extra gas, that kind of stuff through the exhaust, to clog up the catalytic converter. Which you don't really want that, because that's about easy $300-400 to get that fixed by a mechanic. Do it yourself, just need some clamps and a new $90 catalytic converter. Which, if I don't have to replace that, I'm not going to. Because I don't want to deal with that hassle right now coming winter time. So, I hope everybody that watches this video, it kind of helps out. And be a little gentler with yours. I kind of broke my clamp. I'm going to zip tie it here in a little bit, make sure it stays on there right. And here soon, we'll be doing the CB axle on the front of this truck. I did my driver's side one. Alright, I didn't record it. Hopefully getting a tripod here soon for my cell phone here. And we'll do the passenger side CB axle. So I'll tell you what, that thing, oh my lord, that was a pain in the rear end like no other. It took me about 6 hours on Saturday to figure it out. We'll just say that. But if you do it yourself, it's about $60-70, depends which CB axle you buy. Take it to a shop, it's about $600. So yeah, if you want to save a little bit of money and feel good about yourself, I'll do it yourself. And hopefully here this week, look at my wife's 2010 Dodge Journey that's overheating. Try to figure out what's going on with that and hopefully help somebody else out. Alright, so we're going to end this one here. If you watch this and you like it, please like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and watch out for more. And hopefully here we'll be doing a lot more videos, not just mechanics, just some off-roading, that kind of good stuff. I'm going to check out and I'll see y'all later.